Did you think turning a picture into a moving video would be easy? I did. I spent 4 weeks trying to learn motion graphic software, downloaded Adobe After Effects, watched 30 plus tutorials on parallax effects and cinemagraphs, and still ended up with choppy animations that look like a slideshow from 2005. But it was a struggle. I wish I'd known how to do it smarter. So to help you make picture animation easier, here are 3 steps I learned that will help you transform any static photo into a professional moving video in under 10 minutes. The traditional way, hiring a motion graphics designer costs $500 to $2,000 per animated photo, or spending months mastering complex software with steep learning curves. But HeyGen's photo avatar feature literally brings any picture to life with realistic movements, blinking, and even talking capabilities using advanced AI technology. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to upload any photo, add natural movements and expressions, create talking animations, and export professional moving videos that captivate your audience. Step 1. Preparing and uploading your photo for animation. Now here comes my absolute favorite part. Watching HeyGen analyze your photo and detect every facial feature automatically. When I uploaded my first portrait photo, HeyGen literally mapped out 68 facial landmarks in under 30 seconds and showed me exactly how it would animate each feature. I literally watched the AI identify eyes, mouth, nose, and even subtle details like eyebrow position. First, we start by logging into HeyGen and selecting Photo Avatar from the main dashboard. Then we continue by clicking Upload Photo, and this is crucial. Choose a high-resolution image with clear facial features and good lighting. The photo should show a person looking directly at the camera with their full face visible. HeyGen works best with portraits where the subject's eyes, nose, and mouth are clearly defined without shadows or obstructions. After uploading, you'll see the AI processing screen with a progress bar. This usually takes 60 to 90 seconds as the system creates a 3D facial map from your 2D image. Here's what most people don't know. HeyGen can animate historical photos, artwork, or even cartoon characters as long as they have recognizable facial features. I've successfully animated vintage family photos and painted portraits. But wait until you see how realistic the movements look when the AI starts bringing your photo to life. Step 2. Making your photo talk with voice and lip sync. Now here comes my most obsessed with feature, watching a static photo deliver a perfect speech with flawless lip sync. When I typed my first script and selected a voice, HeyGen literally made my photo speak with natural mouth movements, head gestures, and even appropriate facial expressions that matched the content. I literally sat there watching a 100-year-old family photo give a presentation. First, we start by clicking Add Voice in the animation panel. Then we continue by choosing from HeyGen's 300 plus voice options or uploading your own voice sample for cloning. Type or paste your script in the text box. HeyGen supports up to 5,000 characters for photo avatar videos. The AI will automatically analyze your text and determine appropriate mouth movements, pauses, and emphasis points. For voice selection, match the voice to your photo's apparent age and gender for the most realistic result. You can preview different voices by clicking the play button next to each option. Here's what most people don't know. You can add emotional cues to your script using brackets. Type happy before exciting news or serious before important information, and your photo's facial expression will subtly change to match the tone. My pro tip, add natural pauses by including pause, 2 seconds in your script. This makes the speech feel more conversational and gives viewers time to process information. But wait until you see the advanced customization options that make your video truly professional. Step 3. customizing backgrounds and exporting your moving video. Now here comes my most exciting moment, adding professional backgrounds and effects that transform your simple photo into broadcast quality content. When I discovered HeyGen's background replacement feature, it literally transported my animated photo to different locations, from modern offices to tropical beaches to professional studios. I literally created 5 different versions of the same video with completely different vibes. First, we start by clicking background settings in the editor. Then we continue by choosing from dozens of pre-designed backgrounds or uploading your own custom background image. Popular options include professional office, modern studio, outdoor nature, and abstract gradient. Each background automatically adjusts lighting and shadows to make your animated photo look naturally placed in the environment. For custom backgrounds, upload high-resolution images, 1920 by 1080 minimum, and HeyGen will automatically blend your photo seamlessly into the scene. Here's what most people don't know. You can add subtle background animations like floating particles, gentle camera movements, or animated elements that don't distract from your talking photo. Click Generate Video and select your export quality. For social media, choose HD 1080p. For professional presentations, select 4K if your plan includes it. Processing time is usually 2 to 3 minutes for a 1-minute video. Here's the output.
Thank you for the opportunity to work together. In this video, I'll walk you through a clear, intentional strategy tailored specifically for your brand and goals.
My secret weapon: I always create multiple versions with different backgrounds for A/B testing on social media. Different backgrounds can dramatically change viewer engagement rates. Let's talk real numbers here. If you hired a motion graphics designer for animated photos, $800 to $2,500 per image depending on complexity. If you learn professional animation software yourself, 100 plus hours of tutorials plus expensive software subscriptions costing $50 plus monthly. I know what you're thinking. But Mariana, what if my photo doesn't animate well? Here's the thing, HeyGen works with almost any clear portrait photo, even old or low quality images. What if the lip sync looks fake? The AI has been trained on millions of speaking patterns, so the mouth movements are incredibly realistic. What if I don't have good photos to use? You can use stock photos, artwork, or even screenshots from videos. As long as there's a clear face, it will work. What if the voices don't match my photo? With 300 plus voice options plus voice cloning, you can find or create the perfect match for any image. The benefits are literally incredible. You'll create engaging video content from any photo in minutes. Your social media posts will get significantly more views and engagement. You'll save thousands compared to hiring animation professionals. Plus, you can bring historical photos, artwork, or any image to life for creative projects. Smash that subscribe button for more AI video tutorials, and I'll see you next week where I'm showing you how to create viral social media content using AI avatars.